The Sustainable Development Goal that I chose was goal number 2, which is zero hunger. The targets of this goal is to end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. An overview of this goal is that a profound change of the global food and agricultural system is needed to nourish the populations affected by moderate or severe food insecurities, to ensure access by all people to safe and nutritious and sufficient food all year round. 1 in 9 people are malnourished in the world. Stunting and wasting among children under 5 are likely to worsen. 21.3% are stunted and 6.9% are affected by wasting in the world. I've also compared 3 countries where I compared stunted growth, the children that have become overweight, and the Consumer Food Index, and the share of local plant breeds that are at risk of being lost. The pandemic has created a higher rate of hunger, and since 2015, people that have not had food security has increased, and that has gone up dramatically because of the pandemic. There are several targets for this goal. One of them is to ensure sustainable food production systems and implement resilient agricultural practices that increase productive and production that help maintain ecosystems, strengthen capacity for adaptation to climate change, extreme weather, or other disasters, to improve land and soil quality. Several projects have been implemented to help move towards this goal, and this poster lists just a couple of those.